How to check internet speed. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you a really easy method to check your internet speed. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Google Chrome and then on the search bar search for fast.com and then hit enter. Now, this will automatically start testing your internet speed. It's really simple and easy. You just have to wait for a while it checks your internet speed. There you can see that my internet speed is 69 Mbps. So like this, it will also show you your internet speed. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.